So Dad went up the super powdery stuff. And Andy went up the kind of packed. There's Dad. He already went past, and then there's Andy. By the way, we are in the beautiful mountains of Bighorn. It's super pretty out here. It just snowed. So yeah, there he goes again. We come here about twice every year, maybe 3 times.
Well, this year like 5 times already.
Yeah, this year we came here about like 5 times, but yeah, it's pretty fun. Here they come down. It's a super nice sunny day. Kind of cold, but that's okay. And that was Dad right there, and then that's Andy. You probably know that by now. Andy has the FXR coat. Dad has the Polaris. Whoa, that's pretty neat, man. That was